Hello everybody. So on other blanket chests that I've done, I've tried to do something unusual for the handles. One of the last ones I did, I actually turned a bowl and I sliced it into 3 equal parts. The middle slice went for the center handle on the lid, and the 2 other like half bowl shapes were used as the end handles. Then I had an idea of possibly using paracord to make handles, and we've done 3 so far. I will tell you that if you want to learn how to do it, I would suggest going on to YouTube and look up board paracord, because what I'm about to do is by no means expert. This is beginner at its best, but we've got enough for 1 chest so far, and we're about to work on the second. My daughter Deanna here.
Hi.
Is going to call cadence for me because I lose track of where I am, and then it turns into chaos. So here we go. First thing I gotta do is fuse this loop together. Rather pleased with that.
Looks good.
We got 2 more to do like this, and that'll be good for the second blanket chest. Thanks for watching. These are Amarok hinges. I've used them now for years on blanket chests I've made. I've probably made probably a dozen of them, and I've always used these hinges, and they've had very good luck with them. I haven't had any failures at any point. So, you know, but they're getting harder to find for some reason. I don't know if it's the company or what. Welcome back to my blanket chest project. Trying to get this one finished up, ready to go. Delivering it on Friday. Very excited about that. I'll tell you now, it's for my daughter-in-law. Love that girl very much. She's a sweetheart, and I'm happy to do this. So, get this one done. You may have seen earlier, one of the things I had done, I had actually made handles with paracord that I braided. Something new to try. So I was eager to try it. Let's take a look at the finished product. Dovetails I did on my Lee jig. Again, it's solid cherry. I put a raised panel in the top over here. Again, my hand woven paracord handles, which I think are unique. Kind of like that. And these are the first times I've used these hold opens that came from Amazon. I kind of like them. The Amarok hinges I've used always on all the chests I make. I really like those. I always put in a cedar bottom. That Allen wrench over there is to adjust the hold opens. And when I get it delivered up there on Friday, my son and I will cut the ends of the bolts off and maybe put acorn nuts on instead on the inside to make it look a little nicer. But I'm pretty happy with this, and I hope she loves it. So now I got to move on, putting the finishing touches on this one. This one is for our niece Lauren. She got married a few years back. I had promised her to make one for her. This one's out of oak. It's a willow oak. I've done I filled in cracks and imperfections with epoxy. I think it gives it a nice look. You can see it over on this side as well. This is all filled with epoxy. So let's get the bottom put in this and get the lid on and get it finished up. Back again. I'm going to be mounting the handles onto this chest right now. I'm doing the same thing. I'm using paracord woven handles, and hopefully they'll come out good. Let's get this done. So this now is a complete chest. It's made out of willow oak. I said before I've done some accents with filled in the cracks with epoxy, and I'm pretty happy with this. This has come out nice, and I hope Lauren loves it. This one I used kind of a recessed panel on the top rather than the raised panel on the cherry one, and it's again got the pulls that were made from paracord that I made myself, and it's done, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.